Good morning, students. I am Vibha Madan, Assistant Professor in Psychology, Government Postgraduate College for Women, Sector 14, Panchkula. Today, I will discuss about divergent and convergent thinking. What thinking is? The mind is the idea, while thinking processes of the brain involved in processing information, such as when we form concepts, engage in problem solving, to reason and make decisions. Thinking. Thinking refers to the process of creating a logical series of connective facets between items of information. Oftentimes, thinking just happens automatically. However, there are times when you consciously think. It may be about how to solve a problem or making a decision. Thinking enables you to connect and integrate new experiences into your existing understanding and perception of how things are. Some of the definitions of thinking are Mohsin 1967. Thinking is an implicit problem solving behavior. Morgan and King. Thinking consists of the cognitive rearrangement, a manipulation of both information from the environment and symbols stored in long term memory. Woodworth. Thinking is mental exploration for finding out the solution of a problem. Garrett 1960. Thinking is a implicit or hidden behavior involving symbols such as ideas and concepts and images, etc. Thinking skills. The simplest thinking skills are learning facts and recall, while higher order skills include analysis, synthesis, problem solving, and evaluation. Core thinking skills are cognitive operations or processes that are the building blocks of thinking. There are several core thinking skills including focusing, organizing, analyzing, evaluating, and generating. Focusing. Attending to selected pieces of information while ignoring other stimuli. Remembering, storing, and then retrieving information. Gathering, bringing to the conscious mind the relative information needed for cognitive processing. Organizing, arranging information so it can be used more effectively. Analyzing, breaking down information by examining parts and relationships so that its organizational structure may be understood. Connecting, making connections between related items or pieces of information. Integrating, connecting and combining information to better understand the relationship between the information. Compiling, putting parts together to form a whole or building a structure or pattern from diverse elements. Evaluating, assessing the reasonableness and quality of ideas or materials on order to present and defend opinions. Generating, producing new information, ideas, products, or ways of viewing. Thinking involves focusing, organizing, analyzing, compiling, generating, and connecting. Different types of thinking. Philosophers and psychologists alike have long realized that thinking is not of a single piece. There are many kinds of thinking, and there are various means of categorizing them into a taxonomy of thinking skills. But there is no single universally accepted taxonomy. One common approach divides the types of thinking into problem solving and reasoning, but other kinds of thinking, such as judgment and decision making, have been suggested as well. Taxonomy of thinking involves lower order thinking skills and higher order thinking skills. We move from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills, that is, remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Problem solving. Problem solving is a systematic search through a range of possible actions in order to reach a predefined goal. It involves two main types of thinking: divergent, in which one tries to generate a diverse assortment or variety of possible alternative solutions to a problem, and convergent, in which one tries to narrow down multiple possibilities to find a single best answer to a problem. Multiple choice tests, for example, tend to involve convergent thinking, whereas essay tests typically engage divergent thinking. Our brain works in two ways: convergent thinking, left brain, logical, analytical, solution reducing; divergent thinking, right brain, creative, artistic, solution generating. Convergent thinking. It generally means the ability to give the correct answer to standard questions that do not require significant creativity. Convergent thinking involves finding the one right solution to a problem. Convergent thinking is also called as critical thinking, vertical thinking, analytical thinking, linear thinking. Convergent thinking, using your logic, it is more critical. Examples of convergent thinking: reach the answer. 1. Should I pursue a career in teaching or counseling? 2. In what ways is Greek mythology similar to Indian mythology? Convergent thinking involves multiple choice, true false, filling in the blanks, matching, listing, identifying, comparing and contrasting, ranking. Divergent thinking. Divergent thinking is a thought process or method used to generate creative ideas by exploring many possible solutions. It typically occurs in a spontaneous, free flowing, non linear manner such that many ideas are generated in an emergent cognitive fashion. For example, brainstorming. Divergent thinking is the process of generating multiple related ideas for a given topic or solutions to a problem. Divergent thinking is also called as creative thinking or horizontal thinking. Divergent thinking involves the use of imagination. Examples of divergent thinking: let your thoughts flow free. 1. How many uncommon uses can you come up with for a toothpick? 2. How might life differ from now in 2050? Divergent thinking involves open ended questions, brainstorming, creating questions before reading, creating a new ending, creating a new dialogue using all the expressions they have learned, telling the story from a different figure. Now, some of the facts about thinking. Number 1. The average person has 3000 thoughts a day. 2. Thinking too much about a decision can lead to analysis paralysis, which equates to no decision being made. 3. Positive thinking can actually help increase your lifespan, strengthen your immune system, and lower rates of depression. 4. Overthinking can literally make you insane and can cause a mental breakdown. Thank you.